Jamaica, yo. So at this current moment, there's an issue that haunts many globally and locally. Most people are asking why is God, Jesus, or some pagan idol they used to worship the jinns, the devils, the duppism, the ghosts, the aliens, them will control the Illuminati. They ask why God is letting this happening to them. Some don't want to seem shaken or like they are losing faith because this is confusing or they lack knowledge by stating the coming of the Lord is near when they have no knowledge of anything whatsoever. And people don't realize. What people don't realize is that it took the jinns and the Illuminati years and decades to divert humanity from their true creator through the use of wars and media propaganda dating back to Napoleon, Hitler, Vietnam and many more to influence the outcome of our current state. Always starting the problems then solving them. No. What is currently happening is just the start or the first wave, the testing phase, and this is permitted by your creator because you forgot all about yourselves and why you exist, and you forget the creator himself in the process, and gave up your freedom of choice to the Illuminati, or those big bosses of the private sector, and end up worship them devils, where them called gods, and have been controlled by them using the government and religion. Why do you think these people hold the power they do? Why do you think they have the wealth they do? They sell themselves fetal and them protected by the devils from everything where you will affect you. Them time a come while you lost everything and keep fighting for a life that wasn't yours. And with these two main tools, religion and the government, your life was sent on a path towards hell to become a sacrifice. And the best sacrifice is of those who are living unaware of what their reality is in this evil system. You have a whole heap of say, where you don't know what hurt you. But it'll hurt you eventually. Because you never know about coronavirus or COVID-19. But it'll hurt you and kill you right now. Alright. So, how do you find your creator? It's real simple. And it's a simple formula. Take religion, because this is where it's hidden. A needle in a haystack, but not a hair or a part of religion. The Illuminati Freemasons and put it there. And no matter how convinced you are that your part is correct, keep an open mind. Because the main ways of life has been altered to give evil some makeup to look good. And that's Christianity and Judaism. These two were straight at one point in existence, but due to their constant rebellion and exceeding in the sins and following them so-called leaders who mislead them and lead them astray, they were overtaken fully by the Zionist fake Jews, Illuminati, and are being used to bring in the Antichrist. So the formula is, take all the religions globally and start crossing out every one of them where you see, and where you see have a idol or image. You can also get all of the supposed holy books them, and start comparing its contents. You'll be surprised. If you're strapped for time or lazy, then make it easier for you. Christianity, Judaism, Hinduism, Rastafarianism, Buddhism, Sikhism, and a lot more are idol and image worshippers with background stories 95 to 99% full of lies and goes back to the jinn worship. You call them duppies, ghosts, devils, aliens, all the same, jinns. No, I'm not here to offend people, but it's your fault and based on your desires. Atheists are a created thing also. Now, there's Islam, which is being fought with every possible weapon and is branded as backwards and uncivilized, with women covering themselves as Mary, the mother of the prophet, did before, and women before her out of respect for themselves and high moral standards. There's no image or idols for their creator, the Muslims, and his name is Allah, and he names himself with the best names. Mankind cannot do that. The name of their book, the Quran, means reminder, and as everything that was wiped out of the Bible, the true Bible, which is called the Injil, and also the Torah. It addresses the Jews and the Christians at every page about their rebellion and misleading humanity, and hiding the truth, and also the statements that the Creator has a son or children. It addresses all of that. They believe in all the revelations brought by the prophets, even the true prophet named Isa, not Jesus, who spoke from he was just born, and at that stage told the Jews to go back to worshiping Allah who created both him and them and to obey him, and that no prophet ever came with anything different except certain laws like pork being unclean for consumption, which he enforced. It states they wanted to kill him, and then plan hard at it, and when they were at the point, the Creator take him off of the earth. Not dead but still alive by the Creator Allah. And Judaism, the Jews who sold him, Judas out of them who sold him, was given his appearance and he was killed in his place. You go do your research and don't let the system tell you if you read something, you become mad or radical or extreme. They are keeping you from truth and sending you to hell, which they think they won't be a part of because they are with the jinns who will also burn in the same hellfire. This will be proof against you upon Judgment Day. So, I implore you people, Jamaicans, when you wake up and go start do some research now. When you're about to dead in a minute. Help yourself.